Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG refrigerator slide rail. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new slide rail. The slide rail is what the drawer in the freezer slides in and out on. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged and the drawer is not sliding in and out properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the freezer door. Once you have the door open, we're going to take the drawers out. First, the middle one, you just have to lift up on it and pull it out. And then the upper one, we're just going to unsnap that. There's a locking tab right here on each side. It's a little tight, but you have to get your finger in there and press on it from the back side. That'll release the little lock right there. Once you have this side out, we can do the other one. Once you have both sides released, you can just lift up on the drawer and pull it out. Once you have the drawer out of the way, we have access to the slide rails. There's one on each side. They're both changed out the same way. We're going to reach in, use the Phillip screwdriver to take out the screws to hold the slide rail to the wall. Once you have all the screws out, you can pull the slide rail out of the freezer. Once you have the rail off, we have to take off the shelf holder. So we're just going to open it up so we can see the screws. And we're going to use a Phillip screwdriver to take them out. Once you have the screws out, we can change the part. Here's the old slide rail next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the assembly together, we're just going to put the shelf holder up here and with the clip on this side. And then we're going to put the rail just like this. Once you have it lined up, you can use the Phillip screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have it put together, we can put it in. In order to put the new rail in, we're just going to extend it out and line up the screw holes. Once you get it lined up, we're going to use the Phillip screwdriver to put in the screws. Once you have the new rail installed, we can put everything back in the freezer. When you put the upper drawer back in, you want to make sure the point right here goes here on the rail, and then you want to make sure that the front goes down and snaps in the front. You want to make sure you do the same on both sides. Once you have it in, you can push it back in. To put the middle drawer in, you just want to line up the rollers on each side and then push it back into place and then set it back down so it hooks onto the freezer door. Once you have it in there, we can close the freezer door. Plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.